Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another video. It's another review, but before we get into that, can we just look at my curls right now? Just look at that. They're all like shiny and like juicy, and it's so soft. By the way, this is my hair with absolutely no product in it whatsoever, and it's about, I give it like 80% dry. It's not all the way like dry, but I'm going to wet it. So I'm here to review the new EcoStyler Gold Gel. It has olive oil, shea butter, black castor oil, and flaxseed. Max Shine 10, Max Hold 10 for all hair types and totally alcohol free. And then it also lists what it does on the side. So I did not pay $18 for this. I was not going to pay $18 for this. I believe all the beauty supply stores now carry this. This is still more expensive than any other EcoStyler. Like, I got these two from the same beauty supply store. This one, this size, which is the 32 ounce, I paid $6 for it. $5.99 plus tax, so a little over $6. This one, which is, how many ounces is this? I think, wait, this is half the size. So this is the 16 fluid ounce. I paid $6.49 for this jar. It's half the size, but it's like, this is more expensive than this. I paid $7.01 for this, and that's with tax. I paid $6 and some change with this. So it's like a whole dollar difference for half the size. And I was gonna get this size, but this size for this was $11, and I was not paying that because it was not that deep. They had a smaller one that was about $2.99. It was like this big, but I was like, my whole head would not, like, I would just use all of that up, and I did want to make another video with this. So I got this size. When I taste, like, not taste it, but when I tested it a little bit inside the store, it is a lot thinner. Like, when I rub it in my hand, it's a lot thinner than I'm used to the EcoStyler gels being, especially because, you know, I'm living for the flaxseed and black castor oil gel. So it is advertising like the little line on here. So you can see from the seal that I haven't opened it yet. So I'm gonna try to open it. I'm not used to having to see. Oh, the whole top came off. Okay, it is a flip top, but the seal won't come off. So that's how it's looking. I really like the smell of it. I'm gonna try to break this seal. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. So, seal is broken. So, this is how it is. It's not as thick as the EcoStyler black castor and flaxseed because it doesn't move. This honestly moves, and it's like I said, like, it's not as thick, like, when it comes to how it feels on my hand. So that's why, that was one of the reasons why I wanted to get a bigger top, because I feel like I would have to apply more. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into this video. Let me find my clips. I can never find them when I need them. So I got my clips, so I'm just going to separate my hair into 4 sections. As you guys know, my curl pattern in the front and middle of my head is different from the back. My back is a much curlier, looser curl, and it really, like, it curls really, really easily. So it doesn't take much, in my opinion, for that section to become super defined. The front is the issue. Leave-in conditioner. Which one? Because this is already really moisturizing, so I don't want something that's super thick as a leave-in. So I'll probably use the rest of this, my Shea Moisture Restorative Conditioner, as my leave-in. I did add a little water because I am about out, so it's really thin. So this is how much I'm using for my back section. Just to give it some moisture. And just add a little water, trusty water and peppermint oil. Stripping it on every strand. Dropping things. So okay. Like I said, it really doesn't take much for these curls to be defined. So do this in a smaller section. Just do about half that section. And I'm going to start off with about that much of the gel. Smooth up those ends a little bit. It feels like I have gel on my hair, but it doesn't at the same time. Make sure I get my roots. So I'm just adding some more gel. Just raking my hands through it. Like, look at that. Oh wow. Just add some more gel. It's a little frizzy for my taste. Trying to separate these, cause it's clumping my curls together like really, really well. Okay. Like, look at this one. Like, look at that one. Like, oh my goodness. Okay. Kind of see what's going on here, just a tad bit. Okay. Now, let's go ahead and I'll come back when I'm back on the last part of my last section. Okay, sorry about that, you guys. My camera decided to die at that particular moment, so I had to charge up my batteries. So my hair is completely dry. I did blow dry it. I did stretch it out quite a bit more than I used to because I did want to have a nice elongated full look. So this is how my hair is looking. This is the front. Like, there's no like crunch. You know, usually when I blow dry my hair, there is crunch. There's still some spots that are damp. It's not 100% dry, like 98%. But there's no crunch on the parts that are 100% dry. Like, but my curls are still like nice and defined, even though some are stretched out. You still see that curl. My hair does feel soft. It doesn't really feel dry. It does feel moisturized. But where you can see the most definition is always in the back. So I'm gonna turn so you can see the back. So I still like, it's not weighed down. It's not like I had to pick at it really. So I am happy about that. I feel like even if I don't stretch it out, I'll still get a very full look. I have a lot of movement, which I'm not, it's like I'm used to it on the first day, but not such free-flowing movement like from my roots to be, because they usually just be kind of stiff. So, like, I like that, but I don't feel like this would last that long, because I get a washing on to last a very long time. Like, trying to pick at it a little bit to get some kind of shape, because I need to shape, I did cut my ends. But anyway, so let's see if it does everything it states it will do. I do not think this is a max 10 hold, like break out my thing. This says it's a hold of max 10 and a shine of max 10. This is a max 10 hold to me. This isn't. This is more like a 5, maybe a 3. Because there's no like crunch whatsoever. So there's no cast to break. Max Shine. I do feel like my hair is really shiny. So I'll give it that. Max Shine, yes. It has somewhat, it says it shines, it has hold, does have some kind of hold, it moisturizes. I do feel like my hair is moisturized. You know, all I put on my hair was a tiny bit of leave-in conditioner just to have something under the gel. Repairs, don't know about that. You know, haven't used it long enough, promotes hair growth, same thing. No flake. I don't see any flakes or anything. There's nothing falling off, so that's good. No tag, yes, anti-itch. Like I said, haven't used it long enough to see. Let me show you guys how much I used though. This, like, I used a lot though. Like, you can kind of like see the little dent I made. So I used quite a bit. I used probably like a third of this container, which is a lot. And I've had this for a long time. Even with all the washi goes I've done, that's how much I've used in this whole entire container, which I'm basically getting to like a third of this container. So this is remarkably more thin than my other EcoStyler, so I used a lot more. But yeah, overall I would say it's okay. I like it. I'm not gonna lie, I do like it, but would I pay $11.99 for that size container? Probably not. I'll probably stick to that one, but I'll definitely like use this like during the winter time, like when it's like really dry out. I feel like this would be the go-to EcoStyler to use because it keeps your hair moisturized without drying it out, so you don't have to worry about stacking a whole bunch of products on. So if you just want to what, rock a wash and go for all of winter 2018, I would recommend this gel because it does really do moisturize. And I'm really happy I did not pay $20 for this because I would be highly upset because I needed to do everything. But anyway, if you guys have tried this gel, let me know your opinions on it. I could more or less would I buy it again, and I could give a take if I couldn't find the other gel and I already know how most of the other EcoStylers work for me. I'll pick it up, but you know, it's not like a must-have product for me. So if you try this, let me know your opinions on it, how you feel about it, or how does my review compare to all the other people who reviewed it. And stay tuned for my next video. I'm getting close to 100 videos, so stay tuned for my 100th video because it will also be my 1-year anniversary on YouTube. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.